How to upload your resume on Indeed. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to indeed.com and sign up or log in to your account. You will land to the home page of Indeed. At the very top right corner, click on the profile icon. From the menu, click on the first option, Profile. Here you will see a section called Resume. Under Resume, there are two options, Upload Resume and Build an Indeed Resume. If you already have a resume, then click on Upload Resume. Now select your resume from Files. After selecting, you can click on Open. As you can see, our resume is uploading. Once it gets uploaded, you can preview it. If it looks good, then click on Yes, this looks right. On the next step, you can see these two options, Searchable or Not Searchable. If you click on the first option, then Indeed will take your file as a text file, which means that if anyone searches for a keyword and it's available on your resume, then your profile will show up. So it is recommended to click on the first option. After that's done, click on Continue on the bottom left corner. And just like that, your resume will be uploaded. That's all for today. Thank you.